Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be going over Chanel's 23P collection. The day is here, the collection is out, and I'm so excited to go into this with you guys. This is the pre-spring collection. Clearly, I got in the festive mood. Don't mind my mic, I had nowhere else to plug it, okay? But I'm very excited about this one, so if you guys want to hear what I have to say about the 23P collection, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like their collections, I think this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Kate Danger. I post every single day over there. Reels, outfit of the days, everything that happens in my life on stories. Honestly, it's a bit much, but you should follow me there anyways. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. So let me just say right off the bat, don't mind my hair, okay? Because it's still wet. But I was kicked out of the bathroom this morning, so we're gonna start off with flat bags. You guys know I always like to start off with handbags in general, but we're starting off with flat bags and I'm already excited. So the first bag that I see is this small flat bag. This looks like it's sequin, and it is correct. Sequins and ruthenium finished metal, black and silver, 4,800. Why is that actually a pretty good price for a sequin mini flat? It looks like it's like supposed to be a mini. I mean, obviously I don't know. Honestly, for a sequin Chanel bag, 4,800 is not bad because the regular minis are what, 4,400? This is a nice one. I'm not personally a sequin type of person, but I like this one. Let's look at mini flat bag with top handle. I'm also not very much a metallic person. 5,100, it's a little bit more expensive, but it does have like a really detailed top handle. I don't know how much I like this top handle because like, why does it have 13 colors on it? Like, I feel like the Easter Bunny, so I don't really love the top handle, but the rest of the bag is, oh wait, the chain is also like 3 different colors. The outside of it is also broken out, kind of like a trendy CC is with like the compartments. This one is not my favorite. I like the sequin one better so far. Okay, these bags I have been seeing everywhere. These are the mini top handle, which you guys know is my absolute favorite style from Chanel. When I say my absolute favorite, I mean it's my absolute favorite style from anybody. Like, mini top handle is my favorite bag of all time. So I'm so happy that this collection comes with a bunch. This one is pink with like hints of green, and it's like two-tone. There's a bunch of two-tone ones, but this one I feel like is everyone's favorite because this is the one that I've seen on Instagram like crazy. I like it. I don't love it. Like, for me personally, I'm very much a one color bag type of person. So I wouldn't personally buy this. Oh wait, this is actually the exact same price as the mini top handle always is, so you don't even pay extra for having that like duotone color. You have it under the top handle, you have it in the chain, and you have it when you actually open the bag, like on the interior. I think it's a pretty good choice if you guys like this kind of like two-tone situation. There's this mini flat bag, which I do not like whatsoever. The chain looks so cheap. The bag itself looks really cheap. It's 3 different colors and oh, 4 different colors. I'm sorry, the Mona Lisa pocket is a different color. It's 4,400. I personally really don't like this bag, like at all. Like, no. Here we have another one of the mini flat bags with top handle, but this one is cuter than the first one in my opinion. It's in this beautiful like pistachio green. I love this green color. This green color is my favorite color from this entire collection, okay? It's beautiful, and the chain is in like an even lighter green, and then the main green and a pink. And it's cute. It's cute. I like this combination so much more. Oh wait, it's 4 colors. It's like a darker pink, a lighter pink, and then like a darker green and a lighter green. And it says Chanel. I like this one way better than the silver one personally because the colors on the silver one just felt random. We have a mini flat bag, 4,400. It's in tweed, like a pink and white tweed. I like the tweed. I don't like the chain. This chain feels very much like a friendship bracelet that Alana made me. Is this a classic flap? Yes, it is. This is a classic flap in tweed. 8,300 for a tweed bag is still a ridiculous amount of money for me. Okay, in my opinion, like, it's too much money. It's too much money. And I honestly don't even really like this tweed combination. Like, it's pink, it's blue. I don't like it. I like the other tweed a lot better. We have another sequin bag, but this one is pink and white, and this one is 4,900, so it's a little bit more expensive for some reason. I honestly don't like this one. Is this a 4 grommeter? No. It is a 4 grommet. Okay. I like the black one just a little bit more because I feel like it's more versatile, makes more sense for a sequin bag. Oh wait, I passed a Chanel 19. We got a tweed Chanel 19. I really don't like this tweed whatsoever. You guys know I love the Chanel 19 though. I will link my Chanel 19 review video up here. I love the Chanel 19, not in this tweed. This tweed is like, it's not the vibe. It's not the vibe for me. You guys know Chanel has been running with denim. When I say running, okay? So we got another denim bag. Honestly, I like this denim bag. This is probably one of my favorite denim bags because, you know, this one has like the camellias all over it. You guys know I'm not like the biggest fan of the Pearl Crush line. And by that, I mean, I'm not a fan at all. But I think here it's executed just a little bit better because I feel like this is a very casual bag, and it being denim and it being silver hardware and it having a little heart on the adjustment. I like the vibe of this, like the overall vibe. Another tweed mini. I don't like this tweed either. It's blue and white, 4,000, you know. This probably is the better of the blue and white tweeds, in my opinion. I think the black really like brings it together. I don't really like a maxi bag at all. $6,500 for that. Again, a ridiculous amount of money to spend on a tweed bag. But you know what? Why would you want a tweed bag that's that big anyways? I don't know. I feel like this is pretty cute. You've got a leather break in the chain. You've got Chanel spelled out there in the chain. This almost looks like it gives me classic flap without the classic flap price. And I feel like Chanel kind of always does one of those in their collections. And this one I feel like is not a bad one at all. Again, $5,200. I'm in. We've got this bag again, small flat bag with top handle. In the black, honestly, it's my favorite. It's definitely my favorite in the black because you've just got the one color. You don't got to worry about multiple things going on. Like I said, I'm a one color type of gal, so I do like this one better in the black. Let's go to Hobo Bags, since Hobo Bags I feel like is what everybody likes these days. Small Hobo Bag. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. So this one is giving me Louis Vuitton loop vibes, but obviously the Chanel version. I kind of don't hate it. I know crescent moon bags or whatever, crescent bags, whatever they're called, is like everybody's thing right now. And I really don't hate this one. There is a clip here. I freaking knew it. I knew it would clip. This is giving me, what is the bag? What is the bag that does this? Shut up, there's a bag. The Fendi Fendigraphy. This is what this is giving me right now because it clips in the middle, kind of like the Fendigraphy, the nano one at least. I don't know if the bigger, no, it's the nano one. I'm not a hobo bag type of person, but this bag, I like it. I do like it. All right, let's talk about the Chanel 22, okay? This is my favorite Chanel 22 that I've ever seen. I do not like the Chanel 22. I still don't like the Chanel 22, and I'm not saying I'm gonna buy this. I'm definitely not gonna buy this, but this is the best executed 22 ever. Like, you cannot argue with me on this. It's in denim, but it's like faded out denim, and you can kind of see the quilting, but it's like denim quilting, and it's the coolest thing ever. And it's in silver hardware, which I think is what's up. I think this is gonna be a really popular bag this season, like really popular. And again, you guys know I don't like this bag, so the fact that I'm saying anything nice about it is a big deal. And we have obviously now the ugliest Chanel 22 I've ever seen. Like, why does it look like, it looks like it's going into outer space? Tell me not. It looks like aluminum foil. Let's do shopping bags. Oh, I did see this Chanel Deauville bag. This is freaking cool. It looks like baseball, which is cool for me. I'm Dominican, you guys know we like baseball. So I think this is really cool. Again, like I said, I'm not going out of my way to buy this, but $4,600 for this. I wonder which size this is. It says large, but like, what does that really mean in Chanel terms? Like, I don't know. Here is a probably even bigger one because it says maxi. And this one is in pink. I definitely like the black one a lot more if you're gonna get this. We've got a raffia bag because everybody likes a raffia bag. $6,000 for a raffia bag. No. Now this backpack I have been seeing pretty much everywhere. $4,800. It's like, it's okay to me. I mean, the pockets are almost too much in my opinion. And getting a backpack in this like baby pink color also doesn't really excite me. Like, I feel like if you're gonna have a backpack, you want it in like a dark color because you're just kind of tossing around a backpack. Vanity cases. So this vanity case caught my eye immediately. I think this is really cute. $3,700. I think it's cute. I don't think it's $3,700 worth of cute, but it's cute. I like that it's round. I like that it almost gives me like a vintage vibe because of those, like that CC logo. You know that past vanity case that had the little top handle and it was also round and it was also in a light green that had like a little CC. That one, I actually really like that one too. But this one is giving me a little bit more vintage because of the bigger logo on it. But again, $3,700 is insane for this little ass bag. We have this vanity case that I feel like they come out with every season, 4600 in white. You know what I'm saying? It's not special. Oh wait, it is a little special because it has like a pop of pink and a pop of, what is that, silver on the top handle and throughout the chain. While it's on chain. We'll start while it's on chain. So we've got this purple and blue tweed that I hate in the 19 wok. $3,800 for a fucking tweed wok. Come on. Come on. We've got another wok, $3,800, shiny lambskin. I don't really like this wok either. And this one I also don't like. Is that metal? Is that rose gold metal? It is rose gold metal. I still don't like it, but it's cool that they're doing more stuff with rose gold. Honestly, I've been waiting for them. Honestly, I'm waiting for a cocoa handle, a black cocoa handle with rose gold heart. Shut up, I would buy that. So we have this 19 wok with the blue and white and black tweed, which like I said, I do like better. And I mean, you cannot argue, like that's a nicer tweed, a much nicer tweed. Still wouldn't pay that for wok ever in my life, but you know, it's there. Let's do clutches with chain because we know that's where all the exciting shit is, okay? Here is a little vanity case. It has the heart adjustment, pearl crush type situation on the chain. Clearly, I don't know the English language, but you know what I'm trying to say. And it's in this beautiful, like bright emerald green color. $2,600 for this. Oh my God, $2,600. You know, this is like this big. I can't. Here we have another friendship bracelet bag with an enamel CC on it. $3,000. Don't buy this, yo. We got the phone holder. $35 is $75 for a phone holder. This comes in that same colorway as the bag with the Chanel top handle. That's like pink and green and all that. It's okay. It's all right. This is a little bit more special. Clutch with chain, $2,500. This has a lot of like deep jewel tone colors. Actually, where did these colors even come from? Now that I'm looking at them, like where do these come from? I haven't seen not one of these colors. Maybe that light green. But other than that, I haven't seen one of these colors in another bag. And again, the price is, it makes me want to throw up. Seriously, I can't. Wait, we've got my favorite little hobo bag in a clutch with chain version. This one probably looks just like the Fendigraphy bag, the Nano Fendigraphy bag. Hobo bags are kind of masculine. So I feel like this gives it like a little bit more of a girly feel, and that's what I'm about. And I like it. So $34.75 for the little baby version. I might want to look at this in store. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm on a low buy. You guys know I'm on a low buy, but I just want to look at it. Another phone holder with chain, but this is again in, oh wait, what the, no. The colors on this, no. The design on this, why is there a zipper and a flap, and the flap is like, no. 2,800, no, absolutely not. There's a 0% chance. No. We'll do costume jewelry, and then if I have time, I'll do shoes at the end. I'm gonna go to earrings because that's just what's up. We have a lot of hearts still. Oof, I like these. I like these. I would buy these. Wait a minute. I like these better. I take back what I said before. These are it. These are really nice. These are just like classic hoops that go with everything. You could literally wear this with everything. $900 is still a lot of money to pay for earrings that are not gold. Nah, I really don't like these. $850, nah. No. I still regret to this day not getting those earrings that say Chanel, and honestly, I might go on a hunt for them because I really like them. I like that they're just like plain. They have nothing besides the words on them, and I don't even like the ones that have like the crystals. I just like the plain ones. These have a hell of a lot of shit going on, and I think because those were so popular, and I think they've come out with like several variations since then, they're just gonna keep pumping out things that look similar, but these to me do not give the same vibe. $875, nah, I would not. That's just a lot of stuff happening on an earring. Oh my God, this is so ugly. Those don't look like hearts, my man. Those look like something else. No, that does not look right. I do not like this whatsoever. That is not, please avoid these at all costs, because that don't look like no heart, man. That's like a sneakers. Oh my God, are those bowling shoes? That is ugly. And why do these look just like some Nikes, but with a CC instead of a check? I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, and these look like Air Max, what are they called? 97s? I used to have a lot of sneakers. Air Max 97, I think is what it's called. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. These look exactly the same as those, except it says Chanel. I know I said I really don't like dad sandals, you guys, and I stand by that. But why with the platform are they kind of cute? And do these really count as dad sandals? I don't know. $1,300, that's like a shitload of money for a sandal that I can wear, you know, not that much. These ones that I guess match the Deauville with the baseball situation, not as cute. These dad sandals are just not it for me. I really don't like the flat ones whatsoever. And $50.75 for a pair of dads, stop it. Alrighty, so that is it for this collection, for me in this collection. We're done. I feel like I went through everything that I wanted to go through, so let me just point out what my favorite things are. The Hobo Bag. I love that damn Hobo Bag. I don't know what has come over me. I'm not a Hobo Bag type of person. You guys know this if you know me. If you know my channel at all, you know my style. I'm not into Hobo Bags, but this damn Hobo Bag is it. Other than that, obviously I really like the Chanel 22 in the denim. I just feel like if you're gonna get a Chanel 22, that's the one that you need to get. Obviously, I like the mini top handle. That's my favorite freaking bag ever. I don't love it in the two-tone, but they also have it in a bunch of other colors that we didn't see. There's like a white one with beige on it. There's a black one that I believe has pink on it. I don't like any of those personally. I feel like if you were gonna get one of the two-tone ones though, the white with the beige is definitely the way to go. But they also have just plain ones. Like they have a pistachio green one, which is my pick for this entire collection. Is gonna be that mini top handle, pistachio green, freaking delicious. Let me know if you guys picked up anything from this collection, or you're planning to, or like you've already told your essay what you're trying to get. You guys know I'm gonna low buy, so it's not looking like I'm gonna get anything, but you never know, because I mean, I do crazy things sometimes, you guys. You'll see that in my next video. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And with all that out of the way, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Look at my cheese.
Nice, Leo. Go to the table so you can eat pancakes. Go, go, go.
Leo, finish the table.